This exam application tutorial is on the topic of thermoregulation. The question for 6 marks is explain how skin burns can affect temperature regulation in humans. This is a question that asks you to apply your knowledge of thermoregulation to something maybe a little bit out of your comfort zone. The translation would be, which effectors in the skin are affected by a burn, and how will this make it difficult to control our body temperature? So, which effectors exist in our skin that help us control our body temperature? Well, first we have hairs which trap air and keep us warm through insulation. We have sweat glands that produce sweat and release it onto the surface of the skin, and that helps us keep cool through evaporation. So you can imagine a skin burn will burn off all the hairs, and also you'll get blisters on your skin which may block these sweat gland pores. So firstly, skin burns would cause the loss of skin hairs, 1 mark. This means that no air can be trapped near the surface of the skin, so normally these hairs trap air over here. So, as a result, less body heat is insulated when cold. We can't trap air near our skin to keep that body heat within our body. Skin blisters block sweat glands. So normally when hot we release sweat, but when hot now sweat is not released onto the skin's surface, so less heat is lost through evaporation. So you can see how a skin burn can prevent us from warming up and cooling down. So this question did require you to think outside the box and relate the idea of how a skin burn can affect your skin and how this can affect temperature regulation.